information at this moment. Yes.
34 Sugar Delta 117, there is 14 Echo Delta 055. How do you copy? Over.
Okay, copy. Good afternoon. Very good. Thank you very much. 14 Echo Delta 055. Thank you very much for returning my call. Using a report here 5959. My personal name Tony. Last Tango Oscar November Yankee, my KTH Tenerife Island. Over.
Okay, Tony, thank you very much. Very good afternoon and best 73s. Thank you very much to give an answer on my call, Tony. You are 5 by 9 also in north part of France with a little QS Baker. 34 Sugar Delta 117, Tony from Tenerife Island. There is 14 Echo Delta 055. My personal name is Mike. I spell it for you. Mike India Charlie Kilo Echo. Mike is my name. About my KTH, I'm located in north part of France. I live in 80 kilometers north of Paris capital. 80 kilometers north of capital city in department 60. 60 is my department number. Back to you, Tony. 117055. Listen, over.
Okay, 100%, Mike. Hello, Mike. Thank you very much. Signal report very good in this moment. Very good. Your signal report. Very good propagation, Europe from Canary Islands. I'm sorry for my English. My English is very bad. My English is very, very bad, okay? I stay in Tenerife Island, Tenerife, in the Canary Islands. 200 meters for the capital city from the Santa Cruz, the Tenerife. Okay, my friend, my work condition is Yaesu Fostango 1000, my Papa Mofai. My antenna is in this moment vertical. My antenna vertical. The power is 100 watts in this moment. 100 watts in this moment. Okay, Mike, no problem for you, sir. Looking for internet. 14 Echo Delta 055, 34 Sugar Delta 117 Tony in the Canary Island. Go ahead.
Yes, Tony, QSL 34 SD 117, there is 14 Echo Delta 055. So, thank you very much for all the information, Tony, and don't worry about your English. I understand it in 100%. About the working condition on this side, at this moment I am using Yaesu Foxtrot Tango 950. I listen that you are using Fox Tango 1000 MP, so it's a very, very good transceiver. So on this side I am using 950. The microphone is Yaesu Mike Delta 100. The power is output about the transceiver 100 watts. And the antenna that I am using now, it's a Skyper antenna beaming in your direction. It's 12 meters from the ground. There is the working condition on this side, Tony. If you want more information of myself, just write my call sign on internet research, Google for example. I've got a personal website. Tony, so you could watch some movie because I like to record the contact. And for information at this moment, my camera is on. I record this QSO and upload it on my YouTube channel after the end. So if you want to watch a movie, just wait a little time and write your call sign and mine. I give you the title that I put on my YouTube channel. It will be 34 Sugar Delta 117, separation Bravo Yankee, separation 14 Echo Delta 055. It's a little information for you, Tony. Back to you, 117055, listen, over.
Okay, no problem, Mike, no problem, QSL, no problem. Okay, no problem for the QSL side, okay, my friend. It's too many stations confirming in this moment. Thank you very much, Mike, and good weekend. 14 Echo Delta 055, 34 Sugar Delta 117 in the Canary Island. Bye-bye.
Ok, Tony, 73, muchas gracias por el contacto y esperando escucharte tu estación del nuevo en la frecuencia. Saludos cordiales para ti, tu componente, 34 Sugar Delta 117, 14 Echo Delta 055. Hasta pronto, 73.
73, 73, bye-bye. QRZ, any more station from the Canary Islands, QRZ?